Hey everyone, welcome to Free Healing Me Day, You My Autistic Life. Happy Memorial Day. May you be blessed. We are at a classic car show here in Hamilton, Montana. I'm just going to take a few little clips here and there and let you see what kind of cars we got here. We got muscle cars, we've got classic cars, we've got vintage cars, they've got it all. So just stay tuned. Bye. And they vote on these cars. People come and they vote. This is a 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400. Has a 400 horsepower engine, 345 horsepower. Transmission is a turbo 400. Production number is 90,152. Original MSRP is $3,054. The owner is Adam Dean, and it is pretty for all you muscle car lovers. We go around the other side so I don't get ran over. They got cars coming in, registering as we speak. Yes, yes, yes. Check it out. Isn't she a beauty? Oh, she is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And we have an old Chevy, 1957, model 3200 Task Force Series.
You said only the fire.
And a Volkswagen, 1973. Hey, that's my birth year. It's a Super Beetle. Look at the cute flowers on it.
The Firebird.
I know. Look how cute it is. Oh, it's so cute. I would love a car like that. All right, moving along. Check this out.
Yeah, they're
It's
good.
a Dodge.
I mean, they've got quite a bit of stuff at a less dollar value.
It is a A108 Tradesman, 1969, sliding door and sunroof. Okay, the paint job is what I want y'all to see. Like, seriously, check this out. Look at that, y'all. Look. Look at the paint job on the side. Look at this. I love it. Isn't that adorable? It's so cool. So there's the sunroof. Looks like a Volkswagen van space shuttle. Pretty neat. All right, so this vehicle right here is handmade by my father-in-law and his buddy. They made this all by hand. But oh, they have a transformer emblem. Look, y'all, they have a transformer emblem on the thing. That is hilarious. It's a Dodge Speedster, 1924. Is what it's made to look like. Him and his buddy made this 100% by hand, y'all, to look like the original thing. The amazing thing is it only took them, what, 6 or 8 months to build this car. And this is my father-in-law's other car. It is a Ford F100, 1956. He made this by hand. It is a replica. And this was my mother-in-law's truck. Look, he even included the decal. So yes, my father-in-law made this truck 100% with his 2 hands. Kid you not. He's a talented man. And that's my father-in-law over there in the gray shirt with the white and red hat. I have to sneak it. So just wanted to give you guys a look at my couple of my father-in-law's pride and joys. His other 2 are at the house because they're having issues, oil leak issues, and so he could not bring them today. But he did get to at least bring these 2. So the Ford truck, we call it the Dottie because it was Dottie's truck when she was alive. a Chevy, 1946 Chevy pickup. Kind of reminds me of the ZZ Top car in a way. I'm have to scroll out just a little bit so you guys can see better. There we go. This is my favorite. Every year when I come here, I always gawk at this truck and imagine myself driving in it. It is a GMC 350 1954 and it's purple. Hey Sandrene, let me buy this truck and I'll come to Alabama and you and I will go yarn shopping in this beauty. Look, Sandrene, look girl, look at all that room for boxes of yarn. We can grab a couple of our girlfriends, a couple of our yarny friends. We can all sit back there and crochet, get a suntan. What you think? What you think, Sandrene? What you think, girl? What you think, Sandrene? Hey, girl, hey, in the purple truck. Now this is original. Check this old. This kind of reminds me of oh my gosh, what's that tow truck? Mater. It kind of reminds me of Mater from the cartoon Cars. It's a Crossley pickup, 1947. Man, can you imagine? Look how little it is in there. Talk about being cramped. This is a F100 Ford truck, 1954. Check this out. Now I'm having a hard time because I got the sun right in my eyes. Look at that. Look at the engine. It is pretty. Nice. Wood deck in the back. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's look at some more. Look at all those muscle cars for you muscle lovers. Muscle car lovers. I'll get there in a minute. Ooh, look at this red one. For some reason, I can see my friend Nicole riding in this beauty with her groom, Charles. Grandma would have to watch Precious Lily though. There ain't no room in a car seat, honey, for this vehicle, but you know, you and Charles can go on a date night riding in this beauty. I don't know what it is about you and red, but for some reason every time I see red I think of you. And I can see you riding in this beauty. This is a 1937 GMC pickup, you guys. Woo! The engine in it is a Chevy 350 according to the specs on the car. Check the engine out. Look how beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the inside. Ooh, that'd be a little uncomfortable. There's no cushion on the back. Look at the floor of this though. Look at this. Look at this. Look how gorgeous that is. Owners are Larry and Donna Bays from Corvallis, Montana. Woo, beautiful. We're getting over to there in a minute. Gotta be patient. Check this out. Look at this. Look at the color on this. You know, purple and yellow are my two favorite colors. Let's check out the engine. Oh my gosh, they've got music playing in the background. I hope I don't get a what do you call it? A copyright strike. This is a 1948 sedan Chevy. All right, y'all, I'm going to stop talking right now because of the music in the background. I'm just gonna do a video with the cars, and I'm gonna have to turn the sound off on this video going forward because otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. Here's the side. Sandrene, look at this one. This is a dark purple, honey. (1933) Chevrolet Master. It's gorgeous and it's purple. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, it's a gorgeous car. Look, Sandrene, look. There's room and yarn in the back. Girl, there's so many cars we could take a ride in here. Okay, let's go check out the muscle cars, you guys. All right, once again, I'm going to be turning the sound off for copyright reasons. Is a 1967 Ford. Beautiful. It's a Patriot. 1968 Chevy Nova. This is a 1970. $19.99. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I could ride in that. This car reminds me of the Dukes of Hazzard. I don't know if it's because it's orange or the shape of it. It's a GTO. 1969. 1969 GTO. Yeah, here's a car where you can let your hair blow in the breeze. This is, let's see what this is. Ooh, look at the engine, y'all. For you engine lovers. Look how pretty. Look at that chrome. It's a 1967 Corvette. Oh, it's gorgeous. Now this definitely reminds me of ZZ Top. Look at that chrome. Oh, it's so pretty. This is a, you guys probably can't see it. It's a Ford Model A 1931 Street Rod.
They don't like that because it's like hard for them to get enough hair. Yeah, also the exhaust is kind of.
And then a Cheyenne truck.
They didn't mess with the exhaust. Oh yeah. All the outlets.
Look at those big wheels. Holy cow. This is a 1977 C10 Chevy. Look at that engine, y'all.
Hi guys.
Oh, it's beautiful.
50-50.
All right. This is a T-Towing 1911. Look how cool this thing is. Look how cool that is. We got a couple of Beetles vintage. These are the real deal, guys. Survivors, yeah. We got something more modern. I don't know what kind of card that is. A Sierra Grande with timeout dolls. That's so cute. Those are called timeout dolls for those of you that don't know. Leave it to the doll collector to know what those are. Ooh, what's this one? Let's see what this one is. A 260. Look at that beautiful. I don't know what it is about me and engines, you guys, but I love looking at the engines of cars. It's a 1963 Ford Ranchero. Look how long the back of the bed of that is. It's a GMC. Oop, tree. This is a 1966 Pontiac Le Mans. It's beautiful on the inside. Beautifully restored. Look how pristine that roof is. Can you imagine laying that down and letting your hair blow in the breeze? Let's come over here and look at some of these beauties. For those of you that love sports cars. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That is something else. Chevy Corvette, and it's a 1977, y'all. 1977 Corvette. It's another Corvette. This one's a 1964. Look at that interior. Isn't that gorgeous? That's gorgeous.
You had like the panel wagon. It wasn't a panel wagon.
This car's for sale. It's a Saturn Sky 2007 Redline series. You can go fast in that sucker. We passed this truck on the way here. This is a GMC Denali. Hey, I have a Denali, but it's not. Don't look like this. And mine's a 2004. This is a 1963. And they got it painted army green. That is a definitely custom paint job. Dragon Formation Team. Ooh, let's look on the interior. Ooh, pretty. I love seeing the interior of these older vehicles. And then we have some other cars over here. We still have more cars coming in, but a Cyclone spoiler over there. Another farm truck. I love this van though. Y'all, we could fit a lot of us in this van. Go on a Fiberfest tour. Who wants to go on a Fiberfest tour in this van? Raise your hands. There's my father-in-law making his car pretty. TLC, love and care.
Yeah, right.
Say hi, honey.
Hi.
We got some more cars that pulled up. Let's take a look. This one. This is a 1929 DeSoto. Very nice. Very nice. Got a back seat and everything. Look at the wheels. This is a 1940 Cadillac 7533 Imperial Limousine. It is all original.
That's okay.
100% original. And the owner of this picked this up from someone who lived in California. A lady had it. She sold it to him. All original 1940 Imperial Limousine. Look, it's even got the glass. Look at that. 1940 limousine, man. Someone very, very rich used to sit in this limousine and get driven everywhere. The white wall tires. It's all original. 100%. All original. Pristine condition. Cadillac limousine. 1940. Isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful. And the guy that owns it is dressed in a 1940s limousine uniform, including with the hat. He was in the parade today. Look, he got a jar of Grey Poupon sitting on the... It's hilarious. Grey Poupon. It's gorgeous. I had to get a video of this for y'all. 1940 limousine. I've never thought ever in my life I would ever see one of these. I've only seen this car in movies. Look at this beautiful. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. This is a 1957 Buick Special 46R series. It's an old school restoration. It is gorgeous. Look at the inside. Look at that leather interior, you guys. Oh, that is so pretty. Back seats. So this is, I got to watch this one pull in. It is a Chevrolet Corvette 1957. Look how pretty that is. Look at those tires, you guys. You see those tires? It's even got the orange paint. Let's look on the inside. Beautiful interior. Beautiful seats. And then you've got a more modern Corvette over here. I think I showed you guys this one already. Yeah, I did. Here's one you guys haven't seen yet. Look how pretty this is. It's a Buick Skylark 1962. Pristine. Look how pretty. Beautiful car. This one is a Bel Air 1956 Chevy. Beautiful. Oh, here's a pretty one too. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this one. Look at this. Look at that beauty. Oh my gosh, it's a Buick. Look, they included a before picture. Let's see if I can get close up on it. Look, there's the before. There is the before picture of what this car looked like when he picked it up. See it? Okay. And this is the after restoring. Look at it now. Completely restored. Gorgeous.
Isn't this beautiful?
Oh my gosh. Did you see the before picture?
No.
The before picture's underneath the hood. It'll blow your mind.
Oh, good grief.
I know, right? That's what I said. Oh my gosh, this is a gorgeous car. This is a Ford official pace car. 500-mile race, May 30th, 1953, y'all. Check this out. It's a big car to be racing in. It's a Sunliner. Look at the interior. My goodness, you guys. Look at the tires. I just love the tires. I love the white wall tires of these older cars. Crestliner. Beautiful. It's a more modern Corvette. Ooh, look at this lilac purple Cadillac. This is a 1962 Eldorado Cadillac. Series 62. Engine's a 390.
Yeah, well, I don't mind points at all.
Oh my goodness. Here is a Ford. Oh, I think I showed you guys this 1940 Daloon already. Got more cars coming in. Look at this old Harley Davidson 25X. Look at that. Nice. Got a race car pulling in. I showed you guys these ones already. Here's an old Dodge farm truck. Yeah, I showed you guys this one too already. Here's something I'm going to show you guys this old golf cart. It reminds me of the golf carts from the city Pixar cartoon Cars, the pit crew golf carts. Yeah, I'm going to go on this way so you can get a better look at it. If the video was shaky, I'm so sorry. Oh, look at this. It's a Ventra, you guys. Look at that. It's like a seafoam green. Seafoam green. What year is this? It's old. It's definitely a classic. Engine is looking beautiful. Look at that chrome. Look at that chrome.
But that's okay, because that just drives the price up. Yeah, pretty much.
This is a 1961. Here's the famous golf cart. It's a 1957 Chevy Bel Air club car. This reminds me of the go-kart cars from the movie Cars as the pit crew.
Yep.
It's exactly what it reminds me. It's so cute. I just love it. Look at this golf cart, you guys. It's a club car. How cute is that? I love it. Hey guys, that was pretty much the car show. There's some more coming in, but unless I see something that's like, wow, I probably won't film it. Main reason, there's music in the background. So if you didn't notice, parts of this video went silent with my own music playing in it for copyright reasons. But I did the best I could for y'all. I found a shady place to sit. My father-in-law's car's right over there. See, there's the truck, and well, you can't really see the blue car because it's low to the ground, but there's the truck. And I am sitting in a nice shady spot with the mountains behind me. If you guys can't see the mountains. And I'm gonna crochet. I brought something that doesn't take a lot of concentration, something that I don't have to sit there and look at a YouTube video for. And I'm making a little gift for somebody for when I go to Texas. So I think I'm gonna just sit here in the breeze and the beautiful weather and crochet a little bit while my Mr. Handsome and my father-in-law have fun, and little man sitting in Grandpa's truck waiting for lunch. I think we'll be heading home after lunch because I don't see little man sitting here all day. He'll get bored real quick. I think he's actually already bored. He's playing on his phone. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys again very soon, probably tomorrow for the live on Tuesday. Until then, we'll see you guys later. Bye, everybody. Always remember, dare to be you, dare to be different. Love from Montana. Big Sky. Bye.